G'day, I'm Eric from BDO Furniture, and I can't decide if I want to sit or I want to stand when I'm at work. So my boss made me put this desk together, and I got to show you guys how it's done. Let's get into work mode. All right, so first thing we're going to have to do is take everything out of the box and lay it down on the ground. Now we're going to need a couple of tools to put this frame together, so let's get rid of the things we don't need. We are going to need two things, a Stanley knife and a drill, or if you don't have a drill, a Phillips head screwdriver. Let's rip in. Be very careful. Let's start with the adjustable beams and legs. Lightly loosen the hex bolts on the adjustable beams, just enough to slide the tubes in. Hand tighten the bolts. Next, remove the bolts from the leg set and attach the legs to the adjustable beam ends. Align the holes, insert bolts and ensure the legs are flush with the beam. Use the provided hex key to secure the bolts, but leave the bolts at the ends of the legs out for now. These will be used to attach the L plates later. Let's add the feet to the leg assembly. Flip the feet so they're facing up, then insert 4 bolts from bag B into the leg. Tighten them using the tool provided. Repeat this process for the other leg. Next, attach the L plates. Position the L plate flush against the back of the adjustable beam. Insert the 2 bolts and fully tighten them. Now go back and fully tighten the bolts that connect the legs to the adjustable beams. Repeat these steps for the other side. Now let's prepare the desktop. Carefully remove the desktop from its box and remove the protective metal corners. Place it sticker side up on a soft, flat surface to avoid damage. Position the leg frame onto the desktop and extend the adjustable beam. Measure to ensure it's centered, then tighten all 8 bolts on the beam. Next, lift the frame slightly and slide the control box underneath. Connect the cords for the legs, power and control panel. Align the hole on the control box with the hole on the frame and drill the provided screws into place. Then drill the remaining 9 screws to secure the frame to the desktop. Finally, flip the desk upright. We're almost done. On the display, you'll see RST. To initialize, press and hold the down button until the desk reaches its lowest position. Once it stops, the display will show the desk height. For custom settings, press the M button, then press 1, 2 or 3 to save the current desk height. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your new Ergo-Rise 2 sit-stand desk.